Hello and welcome to the second electronic assembly video. Now I am going to assemble this simple RGB color switch device. It uses 3 switches, each controlling red, green, and blue to create a custom color. You can combine, as I said in the other video, you combine red, green, and blue together to create all the other colors of the spectrum. Well, this is a color changer with an LED and 3 switches. This is powered by a USB cord, so it plugs into a USB plug-in and like an outlet or power strip. So this is a very simple device. It'll only take a few minutes to assemble, so let's get started. I'll cut this open using the pliers. Now what we're going to do is first lay the components out and separate them. Now I can open them. Here is the PCB circuit board. It says color space, RGB, red, green, blue. This is the circuit board called a PCB. It says color space. This is where the LED goes. This is where the wall outlet goes. And this is red, green, blue, the 3 switches. And you see those little chips right there. Right there. So, firstly, let's install the cord plug-in, the power plug-in. Like this. Okay. You can see that's a plug in there. It takes a USB, that type of USB. There's many different types of USB cords, which I will be doing a video on later. So the next part will be installing the LED light here. And there's only one long one, which will be the negative, because that's the only way it can go, because there's only one minus and there's the three others, so it must be that. So
Okay, so let's slice off. Okay, that looks clean. Really nice, even soldering there. Now we will put in the 3 switches, which is red, green, and blue. You just have to line these switches up. And there. This will take a little bit, but I'm going to solder all of the connections together. There are quite a few of them. Running out of cord here, wire here, so I'll have to cut some more in a minute. Okay, cut some more. Cut some more solder wire so we can continue. Okay, you can see all of this. Is all of these switches on, and I'll finish this up. Okay, here is the correct USB cord, and we just plug this into here. Blue, good. Green, good. red, good. And let's combine some of those things, and you can see the colors changing as I combine different hues. So this works. So now I'm going to send this over to the testing table, and we'll try it out. So let's go. Okay, here at the testing desk to test out and preview this new device. I got this power strip right here, which I'm going to use here on this table, and the USB cord that I used to plug into here. For those devices that require a power cable or USB instead of a battery, I'll do things this way. So let's start the test. Okay, let's test the device. You can see it's right here. Plug the USB cable into the device, and then blue, green, and red up to full power. You can adjust the intensity, and you can combine it using different levels. You can see that's like a pinkish blue. You can see a light green, robin's egg blue. You can get a yellow there. No blue and just green and red creates yellow. Red and blue with no green creates pink. Blue and green creates light blue. Red and green creates kind of like an orangish yellow, and just like half and half creates like this creates like white. So you get the thing. So it's a pretty neat little device, very easy to make. You can see the soldering is pretty good. So that's it. Okay, so this test is now done. This electronic assembly video is now concluded, and there'll be many more in the coming days. So see you in the next video.